and this video will be different from some other videos. Students often ask me, is accent important? Now, firstly, let's understand what is an accent. An accent is the way you speak a language. What is a language? You may ask. Language is a mode of communication. Now, is accent important? Well, kind of yes, kind of not. A heavy accent will lead to a difficulty in listening, but a fake accent is worse than a heavy accent. You may ask why? Because a fake accent, your pronunciation goes haywire. You try to speak in someone else's voice without actually understanding what the native speaker sounds like, right? So, in terms of accents, I will say even in the IELTS test, it is not important. Accents are not important at all. You're not gonna be marked with your accent. Okay? If you have an Indian accent or a Spanish accent or a German accent or any accent, it does not matter at all. What matters is your fluency and your pronunciation. So even if you have an accent, do not worry at all. What you need to work out is your pronunciation skills. What you need to work out is your fluency. If you are a fluent speaker, if you have good pronunciation, your word will be heard by the listener. Because language is a means of communication and not as a means of how you can speak. Like, can you speak the way the other person is speaking? That's not how you are marked. That's not how communication works. Communication works when you are fluent. Communication works when the other person can understand you. So, is the accent important? No. But what is important is fluency, pronunciation, as well as your grammatical range. Again, heavy accents can distort communication, can distort the way the listener is understanding you. But if you can tone down your heavy accent to a normal accent and improve your pronunciation and improve your fluency, you will get great band scores. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button